Lesson 7-9, draw a strip diagram and write an equation. So Michelle rode her bike 3/4 of a mile on Thursday, 6/8 of a mile on Friday, and half a mile on Saturday. How far did she ride in all? So in all tells me that I'm going to find the total. So I have my strip diagram and I'm wanting to find my total, but I have the three things that I need. I have that she rode 3/4, 6/8, and 1/2 of a mile. So now that these are all touching down here and I'm looking for this, I know I am adding. Well, there's three fractions, so I'm going to have to take it a little bit at a time. I'm going to start with 1/2 and 6/8. Actually, let's start with 1/2 and 1/4 because 2 and 4 are pretty close together. So I have 2 and 4. I can go 2, 4, and 4, so my 4s match. So I'm going to do 3/4 plus 1. Oops, that's a little large. 1/2. My 4s are going to be my denominators. This is already a 4, so that stays the same. What did I do here? Times it by 2. What do I do here? Times it by 2. So that gives me 3/4 plus 2/4. So that's going to give me 5/4. Now we are going to talk about improper fractions and how to handle them, but for now, we are just going to continue going. So then we're also going to add on our 6/8. So I want to change them. Now if I do my 4, and I can even add on 8s here, then I have 4, 8, and I have 8, so I'm going to change them to 8s. This is already 8, so that stays the same. I times this by 2, so I times this by 2. 10 plus 6 is 16/8. So our answer for now is going to be 16/8. This is an improper fraction, and I will show you how to kind of make it a mixed number, but for now, this is fine. So our equation was just adding those three together to give us the x. So let's look at some more strip diagrams. So it says complete the strip diagram, write an equation to solve. So Hannah rides 1/3 of a mile. ran 1/3 of a mile. David ran 1/6 of a mile. How much farther did Hannah run than David? We have 1/3 of a mile, so then we need 1/6 of a mile down below. And then we have our x because we want to know what we need to do to this 6 to get it all the way across. So what are we going to do here? We are going to subtract. So we have 1/3 minus 1/6. We need common denominators. 3, 6, so that's 3, 6, and 6. Common denominator is 6. That stays the same. Times 2, times 2. 2 minus 1 is 1/6. So 1/6 goes in the box. So how much farther did he ride? 1/6 of a mile further.